Hi, this is Joel from Woolich Racing Tech Support. In this video, we're going to talk about how to read ECU part numbers and serial numbers. To select which part number to use in the Woolich Racing software, first we must identify the ECU part number. This is identified various ways on each ECU. This ECU is from a Kawasaki, and as you can see, the part number is stamped on the ECU. This ECU is from a Ducati. This ECU has a part number on the label as well as stamped on the ECU. This ECU is from a Yamaha. Yamaha part number is also on the label. This ECU here is from a Suzuki. This also has the part number on the label. This ECU is from another Kawasaki, and this also has the part number on the label as well as the part number stamped on the ECU. If you can't access the ECU, you can still read the ECU part number and serial number. So this ECU we're going to read is from a 2015 Yamaha R1. So we go new, Yamaha R1 2015, and it doesn't matter what ECU part number we choose. We then click new. You turn the ignition on or the power supply on if you're using a bench harness. We then go to tools, read part number and serial number. Once ignition is on, it will then display the ECU serial number and part number that we need to select in the Woolich Racing software.